I just want to go home.
So there's going to be two choices I'm going to give you.
Okay.
You're going to get trespassed, and I'm going to put you under arrest if you don't leave, or you're going to figure out who's going to pick you up, and you're going to leave the airport. So who's going to pick you up, or you're going to get trespassed, and you're going to get placed under arrest. Give me your hand. Don't resist. Stand up.
Okay. Okay. Stop.
Dude,
okay.
You're going to get charged with resisting arrest.
Okay, listen.
On the 6th of November, 2023, Tampa Airport Police responded to a disturbance call. A bystander reported the subject approached passengers with threatening language. That report alone establishes reasonable, articulable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio.
What's going on?
He's just walking around talking shit to people. He's like, get to people's faces. What he said, get him before I knock him out. What he said, he just came up to me. He's like, hey, what's up, man? How are you? He's like.
Relax. I'm good. What's going on, sir? I'm Officer Vasquez from the Airport Police. What's going on?
I'm waiting for my wife.
You're waiting for your wife? So why is that guy saying... I don't know what happened between you two. We're trying to figure it out.
Because he's...
You're telling us.
No, I'm asking you.
I don't know.
We're not here. That's why we're asking you.
I'm home, man. Seriously. You guys are not here,
So you're not going to tell us what happened? Okay, now you're telling us. Okay, so is that what happened? And then what happened after? Did you exchange? Sir!
What's going on? You're acting very strange. I'm going to be honest. You are acting very strange.
Attentional units.
Are you going to talk or not?
he's acting, maybe I'm homosexual, whatever. But he's acting like I'm a homosexual. But he's actually, like, crazy. So I'm sorry. Okay, sorry.
Did you come in on a flight, sir? You just came in?
Yeah.
Who's picking you up?
If you want it, right now?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, whatever you need to get. What are you trying to get?
come on.
Okay.
Calling about passengers joining the flight crew. They're intoxicated. Unknown seat number, but it is doing 20.
For ride after pickup, please proceed to the
What's going on?
Express arrivals curve to
Okay,
meet your
number
ride.
one, you guys are both acting like dicks. Okay? I'm sorry that maybe I am not like, I'm sorry. Maybe I'm not like the most heterosexual guy. Maybe you're super right? Okay.
My man, you have ID?
know.
You have ID
You
on
know.
you? Don't put your finger in my face. Do you have ID on you, sir? Do you have ID, sir? Alright. Come on. You want to, what are you going to aim?
Note on the tag, subject's extremely intoxicated.
No, I'm not actually.
Sir, we can't let... So this is the thing, sir. I'm not leaving you here in the airport acting the way you're going to act right now. So listen, are you going to listen to me? I'm talking. So there's two things that are going to happen. Sir,
one.
I'm going to talk.
Number one.
My man, you need to relax.
Relax, dude.
You need to relax.
Okay, number one.
Don't put your hands in my face. Sit down.
Okay,
Sit down.
Okay,
Have a seat.
May I ask
Sit
you?
down.
Jesus Christ, mother. Why can't I ask
150.
you?
Have anyone come over here, please?
I just want to go home.
So there's going to be two choices I'm going to give you.
Okay.
You're going to get trespassed, and I'm going to put you under arrest if you don't leave, or you're going to figure out who's going to pick you up, and you're going to leave the airport. So who's going to pick you up, or you're going to get trespassed, and you're going to get placed under arrest. Because you're drunk, you're acting strange, and you're getting in my face.
He's talking to me. Don't look at me. He's talking to me. Do you understand what he said?
I have no idea. We can.
Do you understand what he said? We can play this game all day.
The A1's coming. Okay. So, like I said, you had two choices, and I gave them to both of you. So either you figure out how you're going to get out of here, or I'm going to have an AOM come and trespass you and place under arrest.
Because this guy is like super heterosexual, so you guys have.
You're acting strange, you're drunk, I smell the alcohol on your breath, and like I said, you can't behave. So you're not staying here at the airport.
Come give me it. Come fucking smell me.
Nope.
Officers observed incoherent speech and smelled alcohol on the subject's breath. Under Florida statutes, section 856.011, intoxication alone is insufficient. The statute requires intoxication plus endangering safety or causing public disturbance. The prior threatening statements reported by the bystander help satisfy that threshold. The subject's profanity directed at officers is protected speech under the First Amendment. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Verbal hostility toward police cannot justify arrest. Conduct, not speech, must cross the statutory threshold for a lawful arrest.
Hi. You're awesome. I love you.
That's probably what he did to the other guy, and that's why.
Yeah.
My man, you better start figuring out where you're going to go. Because when the manager comes here and trespasses you and you don't leave, I'm going to put you under arrest. So, just a heads up, that's what's coming next.
I'm literally doing nothing.
124. You going to figure out where you're going to go? No. Okay, no problem.
I'm literally doing nothing.
You were bothering customers?
No, I'm literally...
Again, you're drunk and you're talking. I just saw you talk to somebody out of nowhere.
literally sitting
And
here.
you're acting real strange.
Hello. I'm literally saying nothing. No, I'm just literally sitting here. I'm sitting here.
Who's picking you up, sir? Who's picking you up? How are you leaving?
Don't worry about it.
I am worrying about it. That's
Really?
I am worrying about it. Because when I have passengers coming up to me telling me you're acting weird and I talk to you and you're acting weird and drunk, you're not staying here at the airport. How are you going to leave the airport, sir?
You know, get the fuck out of the airport. Seriously. Let me sit here.
No, I'm not letting you sit here because you can't behave.
I'm sorry, what location?
How are you leaving, sir? Okay, that's no problem. Like I said, when the airport manager comes and trespasses you, I'm gonna place you under arrest.
You're a fucking great airport manager. Yes, you are.
I'm not an airport manager. I'm a police officer. The airport manager is going to trespass you, and then I'm going to arrest you. So, you can never say that I didn't tell you.
What the hell?
You need to leave the airport. So, pick up that phone and figure out how you're going to
I'm
leave.
happy to do that.
So, do that now.
No, you're a fucking asshole.
That's
Fuck
fine.
You.
You still have to leave.
I'll let you tell me that.
Okay. So here's your options.
Okay. If you get the fuck out of here,
No, he's gonna stay here because I've got it out here. Okay. So here's your options. You need to leave and you need to figure out how you're gonna leave. It's either gonna be an Uber, you have somebody pick you up, or when
I have so many options.
10-4. Yeah, I'm about to just trespass him myself. Alright, there we go.
Yeah, no.
one way or another.
Okay, so the AOM's not responding?
Okay,
So listen to me.
Get the fuck out because you're acting like an asshole. This guy's an asshole.
Alright. Sir, right now you're being trespassed from the Tampa International Airport. You don't have legit business here and you're causing disturbance.
Okay.
So you're being trespassed. You can't be here without business for a year. You're not allowed to be at the airport right now. So that being said, that you're not allowed to be at the airport anymore because you're being trespassed, you're going to make arrangements to leave the airport right now, or I'm going to place you under arrest for trespassing.
Seriously, you guys see this? You see this? Hey, you guys see this shit? Jesus Christ.
Did you hear me? Are you going to make arrangements for yourself to leave the airport?
I don't care what you fucking
All right.
Officers issued a formal trespass warning under Florida Statutes, Section 810.09. That statute requires the warning to come from the owner or an authorized agent. The referenced airport operations manager never appeared on camera to issue the order. This creates a procedural gap. The trespass charge is the weakest count in this case. After nearly 7 minutes of verbal engagement, the subject refused all alternatives. At that point, probable cause for disorderly intoxication was legally defensible. The decision to arrest was supported by the totality of circumstances, Illinois v. Gates.
You're under arrest. Give me your hand. Don't resist. Stand up.
Okay, stop.
Dude,
Okay,
you're going to get
listen.
charged with resisting arrest.
Okay, listen.
Stand up and put your hands behind your back and get charged
Both
with
of you
resisting
guys.
arrest.
Ow! Why the fuck are you hurting me, man? Why the fuck are you hurting me? Jesus Christ. Okay, why the fuck are you hurting me?
Why are you resisting when we're telling you to stop resisting?
You're gonna get an additional charge for resisting arrest.
Sure. You know what?
1-2, we're 10-4 here. It's gonna be 10-15.
Let me sit down. Sit down.
I hurt, man. I hurt.
Where do you hurt?
I got a double lock on the top.
Okay.
What's this, brother?
What?
Sunglasses.
There's nothing. I have nothing. Bring something so I can sit down. Okay. Listen, I'm asking you.
There's no more asking or telling me to do anything, sir.
Really?
You're under arrest.
Really? Do something nice. Bring something here so I can sit down, man.
Where are you hurt? Are you hurting in your leg? Are you gonna talk to me or not?
What's your name, sir? What's your name?
Home to my wife.
You could have gone home. We were trying to figure that out. He's gonna transport for us.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Can we stop? 1 second. Hey.
I got the name and date of birth. Just give me a second. Come on.
Can we stop? Please pick up everything.
Yeah. Everything's getting picked up. I'm gonna toss him again before
What?
Jeffrey, you got anything on me that's gonna...
No,
you wanna do it?
I-
Here?
no.
Okay.
Come on, guys. Here. Back it up.
Alright, come. Jeffrey, sit down.
Have a seat, Jeffrey. Over here. Okay. Can we...
Climb up in there, buddy. Watch your head when you get in.
Guys?
Watch your head when you get in.
May I... Hold on. I feel like I'm getting hurt here.
You're not.
Please don't hurt me.
That's
Okay.
not needed. You're not
Okay.
getting hurt.
May I get up in there?
Be careful with your head.
Okay. Ready? Will you please pull him away?
No.
No, he's been really mean.
Jeffrey, sit down. We're not playing anymore. Come on.
God. Damn it. That hurts, man. Come on.
So slide your legs in.
Come on, man.
Let me grab this.
If you come over here, I'll tell you.
Did he just fly in or whatever?
Yeah, he was bothering a customer. The guy flags us down and says he just came up to him and started talking to him. And we started talking to him, and he's immediately telling us he's being crazy. Totally crazy and doesn't want to leave. So
Just because of intoxication or? We don't know.
During arrest, the subject resisted non-violently triggering Florida Statutes 843.02. Use of force is evaluated under Graham versus Connor. Objective reasonableness at the scene. 3 factors apply: severity of crime, threat level, and degree of active resistance. Crime: non-violent misdemeanor. Threat: low. Resistance: passive. Force level: appropriate. Officers double-locked the handcuffs standard protocol to prevent injury and liability. Post-arrest welfare check was conducted. No significant injury reported. Grades: Officer Vasquez receives a B-. Extended patience, clear warnings, proportional force, all consistent with legal standards. However, profanity toward the subject and the absent AOM on camera cost him points. Intoxication was not formally documented beyond verbal observation, a notable gap. The subject receives a C+. He had 7 minutes and multiple exit options. He chose confrontation over compliance. His non-violent resistance during arrest prevented additional serious charges, but failure to invoke Fifth Amendment silence only added evidence against him. Tampa International Airport receives a B. Protocol was reasonable, but the AOM's absence created an exploitable legal weakness. Lessons learned: document probable cause verbally and explicitly on camera. Olfactory observation of alcohol alone is insufficient. Note behavioral indicators too. Trespass authority must be clearly delegated, documented, and executed by the right person. For citizens, silence is a right. Non-compliance is a charge. Compliance is an exit. The courthouse, not the scene, is where unlawful conduct by officers is properly challenged. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover. Thank you for watching. Check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction content.